I didn't know the swamp was this dirty and this deep.
You previously said that you would not resign if Trump asked you to do that. Do you stand by that commitment?
I have no changes to that.
I can't hear you.
Yes.
Thank you. Please let the record record that adequately. I appreciate that because you have a right to your position not to be interfered with by law, I believe, or even Constitution. When Musk comes knocking at the Fed's door, are you going to let him in?
I don't have anything for you on that.
Would you like to tell us today that you won't let Doge into the Federal Reserve or have access to the systems and the data?
So I don't have any, we've had no contact, and I don't really have, I have nothing for you to report today on that.
Well, you know what happened at Treasury, and you know what happened over at the CFPB, and the people of this country are being violated because all of our privacy is being taken up by Elon Musk and Trump, and we don't know what all they have on us, our bank accounts.
Whoa! Everybody just relax. We knew this was going to happen.
Because all of our privacy is being taken up by Elon Musk and Trump, and we don't know what all they have on us.
And we don't know what all they have on us.
It's going to be very, very exciting. But we have to pass the bill so that you can find out what is in it away from the fog of the controversy.